make sure to like, subscribe, and share it, man. Hit that button. Don't be scared. It's free, y'all. It's free. Look out. We up here in Ennis, Texas. Got this Texas Radio Roundup. It's going down. Let me get my TikTok going. Make sure y'all coming in, hitting that share button. Put it in your favorite group. Let your people know. Lookout Racing is live. In the building, y'all. Look out, look out. Uh-oh, let me not. Right lane with the wind, y'all. Ran a good 426. Ooh-wee. That's 426. All right, y'all. We about to go over here. Look out. We got Coach in the building, y'all.
Down, man.
Not much, chilling on it, trying to see something new.
Tonight, man.
What? You said that is silent on mic tonight. I know. I was right behind me and you got here at the same time. Yeah, when you got in line, you was right there. We got Funky Town in the building, y'all. Yeah, Mr. Setup himself. It's a setup.
He set that one up last night.
Yeah, that was a setup. That was a setup.
I mean, he won, didn't he?
No, he lost. He cried. He said James ain't even been friends. Him and James ain't friends.
They not friends no more.
Y'all wrong. You and James ain't friends no more.
Yeah.
You know what? James did lean like motherfuckers shooting that bitch out of slingshot. James shit left like this. Hey, he catching up to him even like that. He got out the gas. Look what's his name? He didn't got back on.
Yeah, he got back on.
James, check this out. When you let somebody hit, what's name?
Let's see. All right, y'all. Let's see what this thing up. Make sure it's properly tuned. That thing hustling, y'all. It's hustling. Okay. Ooh, come on, baby, catch up. Oh, it done caught up now, y'all. Hey, 48. Hey. Shake your insides, y'all. I wasn't expecting that. Look out, what's up with it, man? Not much, I've been feeling good. Feeling good today. They got the track a little sticky, I feel. Yeah, I feel the stickiness on the track. With an oh y'all, that thing not getting it, boy. I ain't lying. Oh, delivered. I know gonna be happy to know that. Boy, he getting it, ain't he? 444. Golly, y'all. They just prepped it.